Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to generate AI videos. By doing this, you can earn thousands, even lakhs of money online. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button. Now let's started. First of all, open your ChatGPT, then simply tell it what type of video you want to create. You can write in your own language. It will generate a complete prompt for you. You can customize that prompt according to your needs, whether you want a short video, a long video, or even scene-by-scene prompts. Just adjust it the way you prefer. After that, open Google or Safari and search for Flow AI. Create your profile there and paste your prompt. You can choose landscape or vertical, it's completely up to you. Once you paste the prompt, your video will be ready. Just make sure you clearly mention whether you want a realistic style or 3D, whatever suits your content. And that's it. Friends, if you have any questions, feel free in the comment section below.